Hi guys, everyone in between. Baka may masuggest ka na performance mo. And how much TF, ha? If ever Saturday may nag-invite sa akin na bar, first time ko mag-show sa bar. If ever mag-show ka sa bar, hindi ikaw ang magbibigay ng TF. Kung magkano yung TF na iaalok sa'yo, tatanggapin mo yun. Especially kung drag bar yun. Kung i-go mo yung performance, tanongin mo sila kung magkano yung TF. Yeah, that's the thing. See you on Saturday! Oh my God, Yoshi! See you on Saturday. I'm so excited. Punta kami sa Rosie's on Saturday because I will perform there together with Queens. Anong palette gamit mo? Ito po, ang palette na gamit ko. Ang laki! Ayan. So, ira-rainbow. Diba? May ira-rainbow pa ba ang palette na yan? Tapos di pa may power dance. I badly want to perform para ma-experience ko lang. Una, sino ba yung mga artist na parang nag-resonate ka? Diba? Sino yung mga artist na, ay, ang dami agad. 192 kayo dito ngayon. So, sino yung artists na parang may alam kang song na fantasy mo? Yung, nag-start kasi yan sa ano, habang naliligo ka, tapos, ay, parang, di ba? So, sino yung artist na yun? So, okay. Next ay orange. Orangey! Ay, nanonood na ng live ko. Ka-video call ko po. Grabe naman. Parang ganito ako. Saan po show mo? Wala po. Ika-content ko lang to tonight. How do you clean your brushes if iba-iba po ang color ang gamit mo? Isa lang yung sagot dyan. I have so many brushes. So, and I have multiple of the same one. Ayan, magkakapareho. So, P. Louis, yes. P. Louis po. Ang hirap sa akin. Hindi ko natatandaan yung mga ginamit kong kulay. Sobrang dami kasing kulay ng P. Louis! Well. Happy Friday. Thank you po sa Pride vlog. Sobrang happy ng Friday. Ayan, it's coming together. Bakit kaya wala sa harap ko yung palette ko? Ano ba? Pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo? Ang laki kasi. Ang laki talaga niya. Papik po ako sa'yo sa Saturday. Of course! Lalabas po ako sa audience before mag-perform. Sana hindi umuulan para hayahay tayo. Kailan ka mag-LU, ma? Hindi ko pa po alam. Wala pa tayong show ulit doon. And wala pa rin ganap so far na ano. Last punta ko kasi is birthday ni Goddess Athena. Tama ba? Oo, tama. Yan yung birthday show niya. Ano blush mo? Get ready with... Ay, hindi. Ano blush mo? Easy. Sobrang early bird. Yan talaga. Miss Asha Soleil. Rampa Reina. Na nakakaaway ng charot. So, I feel like parang medyo same naman na sila. Ikakat na lang. Di ako pinapansin. Ano ba sinasabi mo, Sian? Diyos ko, Sian. Anong petsa na? Ba't kasi nawala? Ano ba yung sinabi mo? Wait. Ha? Sinabi saan? Oo nga pala. Yes, alam mo na wala talaga. As in, hindi ko alam kung saan siya. Yung isa, binigay ko dun sa friend ko. Kaya ko binigay? Kay Marta ata. Nasa Pilipinas ka na ba? Yes, that's my teeth. Look. Paano may sumsilip sa window? Ano yan? Kapitbahay na yan. Like, wall siya. Hindi nagpatalo yung Shupit Balor. Nagpagawa sila ng bahay na mas mataas. Minsan dead man na kung hindi pantay eh. Parang okay naman. Okay! Diyos ko po, mahaba-haba pa tong inuman. Kung eye makeup na to. Set natin ng yellow. So, di ba kinat ko yung parang crease? So, ayan, set ko siya ng yellow. Parang carry naman, di ba? Thank you po. Nasa Hawaii ka pa. Sa'yo naman. Hanapin mo si Bretman. Charot. Isa yun sa mga dream kong puntahan. Hawaii. Hawaii. Diba? Ganun nila sinasabi. Pag nag-all-stars, pag po ako nag-all-stars, hindi ko po magagawa yung mga ganitong makeup sa loob. Siguro sa mga photoshoot na lang. Yes po, may nakuha na po akong assistant sa 27. Sana hindi ako magsisi. Wow. Won't you stay? So now, kailangan ko tong gawin dito. Amen. Actually, tapusin muna natin yan. Yung kama ko po ay puro eyeshadow. Pwede ba makita palette niyo po? Jody G, pareho kami ni Fuchsia. Binenta ko sa kanya yung isa. Kung nakita mo na yung palette ni Fuchsia. How are you so good with makeup? Alam niyo? Hindi ko alam. Hindi po, wala pong gig. Makeup lang to. Wala pong gig today. Wala lang, dahil Pride Month. Ito na yung gusto ko. Yung yes, yung madaming color. Gusto mo bilhin? Meron pa akong alam na mabibilan. So hala. Ay yes, alam mo siya rin. Ang ganda-ganda niya. As NNN. Fifico. Aliw. Pinterest. And you say and you stay. The pigment? I know, right? I know, right? Gano'n ka-limited yung makeup time? 1 hour po for the whole, for the everything. For makeup, wig, and outfit. Although hindi naman namin alam talaga. Kasi wala kaming concept of time sa loob. Wala kaming clock. Kahit sa loob ng hotel room, yung oras na nalalaman ko, kasi yung MP3, meron siyang radyo. Yung mga MP3 players ng lip sync songs. Merong radyo, mga FM. So yun, oras, hatid sa inyo ng kaning baboy ang tunay na halo-halo. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya mo pa, di bale na lang kaya. excited po ako sa Pride sa UP because, oh my God, I will sing again. Last time I sang sa UP sa UP, sa QC Pride is kailan pa? Tagal na no. 2022 pa, wala pang Drag Race. Ano naganap po? Wala! Makeup lang. Do you use cream colors? No, I just use eyeshadow. Pero the best, the base is wet. Kaya po, pigmented ang payoff. Kasi, the base. It's all about the base. But the base. No trouble. Ang dami kong brushes. Nalilito din ako sa sarili ko. Ano nang gagamitin ko? Nasaan yung kailangan ko? Ano yun? So hard sometimes. Ba't ako nagpupuyat? Kailangan hindi ako puyat lagi dahil yung boses ko. Ay, nako. Hi, you Jenner. The trending diva. Ilang minutes? Uy, anong minutes? I-convert mo sa minutes yung 3 hours. So, 120? Yes, sister! Ganun ang amats. Ang kapal pero ang smooth ng makeup. Ay, thank you. I try. I try. Sorry guys, hindi nyo nakikita, nag-blend ako. Sino to nag-request? Bakit? Ano yun? Ano kailangan mo? Yes, ano pong kailangan?
Saan ganap mo?
Ito.
Kala ko naman may ganap ka.
Wala. Content lang. Saka.
Sa bahay. Sis, ako na nga lang muna gagamit nung ano mo. Jufel mo na ginagamit ko. Na blonde. Buhay pa ba yun? Yung pinang ano mo. Yung pinang bakunawa.
Ano sa sala? Ay, ano na, meet the queens na ng Drag Race Down Under vs. The World. Ay, bakla, remove. Remove ka. Nagbe-vape ka. Remove fuchsia in the live. Ay! Ay, bakla. Doon ka sa gilid. Down Under versus... Anong bawal pala yun? Bakla. Asan na? Ayun na. Ay! Ang ganda ni Jade!
Attention Global Glamazons. This competition is under construction officially.
Wait, ano si Jade? Wait, punta tayo sa Instagram. Trailer pa. I mean, teaser. Guys.
Officially.
Period!
For the first time in history, it's Drag Race Down Under versus the world. 11 iconic queens are building their legacy.
So excited for my
They've got big
sister.
Big dreams and big tools.
I nail that look every time.
Who's ready to get hammered?
I hope this queen's are ready for a big pounding.
Nicole Page Brooks
On a roll.
wearing a rhinestone tank top.
This is not a drill. I'm here
Hey, oh my God!
to win. Of course, as we both win.
Ooh! Asa si Jade? Ano ba?
Here to cement my place in the
Ay, gumanda siya. Hoy! Hoy!
I'm gonna paint this town pink.
I'm gonna paint this town pink!
Baby, you know me. I love to stir it up. I'm here to cut a queen.
No, pongit. Ay, sorry. No, Raven?
Out here turning dirt into drama.
Who will be crowned the queen
Raven?
of the Mother Tucker world? New series, new set, and a whole new level of competition.
Raven? Raven? Hindi, baka gag lang. What? No way. Oh. Tingnan natin sa wow kung ando na. Yes! Down Under versus the World. My God. Nasaan? It's getting muggy. Period. Wait lang. Versus the World. Nasaan? Wala pa ata sa wow. Baka nasa live stream. Live stream. Hello po, Hanabeshi. Oy! Sister ko yun, pero hindi niya kaya to, dear. Charot. Wala pa, Down Under. Okay, ano pa lang? Ay, sa Blue Up daw. Meron na. Lagi ko lang nauuna doon. What? What the wonder? Nawala pa rin. Trailer pa lang, dear. Ano pa lang? Pero yung Meet the Queens, wala pa. O baka sa Stan. Stan, Australia. Imi kayo. Trailer nga ni. Trailer nga ni iyan. Wala pang Meet the Queens. Out na yung... Yes. Trailer pa lang. Ano ba tong... inedit pala ng... Ano ba totoo ba? Kasali si Raven talaga? Eme ha? Ini-eme nila tayo. Hindi kasali si Raven yun for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Huy, hindi. Hindi totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan. Tsaka hindi nabanggit ni. Charot. Oh. True, marketing. Ay, ang cute naman ito. Ay. Di talaga nawawala ang gwapong ano. Anyways. Anong nagda-drug lord? Ikaw, nag-iisip ka ba? Yeah, hindi naman si RuPaul niya ang host. May chance na mag-compete nga siya. But, I doubt. Yun yung sabihin ko. I doubt. Ay. Ayun po ang mole ko. Natakpan lang ng foundation. Mediocrity company never sang Calicarto Ponteras. My favorite word. Feel ko judge siya. What do you think? Oh, baka nga. Alice and the Wonderland. Oh. Ang gamit ko po na palette ay P. Louise Creative Comeback. Hindi ko na siya mapapakita dahil ang bigat niya. Hindi na para. Wonka. Una sa lahat, si Willy Wonka po ay nasa Chocolate Factory. Ayun ako. Pag talaga, ano na, ay, hindi ko lang mag-talk. Nakakapagod. Mag-talk. TikTok? Hindi po siya yun. I mean, siya yung actor, pero hindi yun yung name niya. Are you stupid or something? Please go away. Huwag na po dito magkalat. Dahil wala na po akong energy. Green. Sorry po, blend natin dito. Ooh, that's cute. Yung itlog na dalaw. Yung dalawang kalbo. Favorite ko yun sila. So, ladies, good morning. Kapagod. Palinis nga, nakakapagod naman. No, I feel like Raven is not competing. M&M yan sila. Talaga, Raven? Sa Down Under pa talaga siya? Ayun namin na, Queens! Pangit naman. Nakakapikon talaga yung Down Under versus the World. What is this fucking... Ano to? Ano yan? What the hell? Ano yan? Hindi... Alam mo yun? Construction. Eh di dapat ilagay sa ano? Ano ba? Nakakapikon. Pwede bang ako na lang mag-edit? Mas kaya ko pang i-edit yan sa CapCut. Hey. What is this poster? Look, ang puta, anong poster? Pangit. Isend ko lang sa'yo. Yung theme is obviously parang construction. Actually, construction sila. Ano si Vibe? Ano siya? Oh my God, hindi ko... Ano ba? Jade, pag hindi ka pa nanalo dito. Charot. What the fuck? Okay, guys. I-clap natin, ha? Iisa ang boots na suot ni Nicole Page Brooks at ni Raven. Ayan. Iisa po sila ng boots. Not Raven. And Nicole wearing the same boots. Ay, nako. Yaman sila.
What the hell do you do when you...
Ano kayong gawin ko sa outer corner? Eyeliner na lang. Di ba, alam mo mas maganda pa... Ay, wow. Ay, wow. Pala send ka. Hello po, dito po yung boyfriend ko nanonood. Maganda pa pubmat ng public high school. Mas maganda na, mas maganda pa yung mga poster ng mga drag show sa Pilipinas. Ano ba yun? Oh, pikon. Wow. Nag-I love you so much pa nga. Ano ba yun? Ano ba? Ang trip. Hello, be. Basta ka. Happy Pride! Sobrang pride ng makeup. Aga ng racket. Eh, walang racket. Ano lang, gusto lang mag-makeup. Passionate lang talaga. Okay, parang okay na ako dyan. Gaya-gaya ka dyan, ha? Kinabi-paste! Bakit same kayo ng comment? Tips po for baby drag queen. If in-expect mo na malaki yung kita, lalo na kapag nagsistart pa lang mag-drag. Hindi po! Naka-Canva Premium lang. Parang hindi pa nga eh. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Kasama nga si Raven. Sige. Sana mag-work yung marketing nila na ganyan. Ay, Lord, ang ganda. My God, this is the best eye makeup that I've ever done. At ginawa ko siya sa madaling araw. Tingnan nga natin, meron na ba si Jade? Ay, meron na siya. Ay, may back dress! May back dress, sister ko!
I know that look every time. Who's ready to get hammered?
Back dress. Totoo ba to? Bakit save sila ng boots ni Nicole Page Brooks? Isa sila ng boots. Nagawa mo siya kung kaya wala kang racket. Actually, hindi ko naman to gagawin kung like, may show talaga. This will take me forever and like I'm taking forever now. I love Floor. Grabe. That's a mug girl. I also love... Nasaan si ano? Ayun, Nikita Iman! Love it! I don't like the wig though. But, I love it. Nakakatawa yung boots. Halos same si Nicole Page Brooks at si Raven ng ano. Ano ba yun? Ano ba promo to? Ilang hours ko na siyang ginagawa. Nag-start ako 2 a.m. I'm surprisingly medyo mabilis. Pasabog. Kalawang-kalawang. Miss Jadeso. Miss Jadeso, kalawang-kalawang. Ganda ni Jade, grabe. Kaloka. Guys, patrendingin natin yung ano ni Jade po, yung kanyang promo look. Para siya po ang fan-favorite na talaga namang, ay, pasabog. Ang dami niyang ano, engagement. Ganun. Diba? Iba talaga ang Pinoy. So far, siya naman ang pinakamaraming engagement. At si Raven. Katawa yung Raven. Totoo ba to? Totoo ba to? Talaga, Raven? Dito ka lumaban sa ano?
Are you having fun?
Wait, alam mo, gag, if compete talaga si Raven, gag. Gag. Pero, feeling ko, kung si Raven magko-compete, hindi siya magpo-promo look ng ganito. Like, this is a bit basic for her. Actually, ang ganda ng cast. Pero yun. Ano ba to? Lala Ray. I love Lala Ray on All Stars, so sana magaling din siya here. Sabog si Fleur. Nakakatawa. Ano ba to? Bala ko yun dyan. Mga promo yung ginagawa ng ayos. Shit, paano ko to gagawin? Paano ko to gagawin dito sa kabila? Lord, give me strength. Parang sign siya sa street, so need to be visible. Ano ba yun? Yung... Walang issue sa font, walang issue sa... Ang issue talaga yung creativity. Parang... Oo naman po, alam niyo, we really appreciate gifts. Kasi yung gifts, pinag-iisipan yun eh. 'Di ba? Bago nyo ibigay sa mga coins, pinag-iisipan nyo yun. Wala, ano kayong pwede magandang ibigay ganun. Kaya minsan mas masaya pa makareceive ng gifts. Ang favorite gift ko na na-receive from a fan ay, ano to? Cleansing balm. Wow. Ganun, essential. Okay. Ikaw, depende. Gusto ko yung Meet the Queens. Nakakatawa talaga yung vibe. Ano yun? Ano concept ng look niya? Miss Job Dahoin. Miss Job. Diba? Hi, Job. Yes, happy Pride. Diba? Happy Pride ba? Happy Pride ba ang look na to? Saan ka punta? Drag brunch. Charot. Wala po. Mag-shoot lang dito sa bahay. Biglang punta ka dito. Mag-show pa. For 20K. Ay! Empake to! Kasi ito yung makeup ko ngayong araw. Ay. Avail ko yan. Happy Pride maliban sa DDS Queen. I know, right? Actually, hindi ko nakita yung post niya. Pero I wanna see. Pero I know that queen kasi kinakwento ni sister ko na taga Cebu na hindi niya ngayon bet. Ano ba yun? Ano ba sinabi niya? Private si wedding. O, diba? Hindi niya, mga ganyan matatapang lang naman yung mga yan kapag, uy, chika lang, keme. Ow! Ay, isend mo nga. Matapang lang naman sila kapag sila lang yung nagsasalita. Pero kapag ay, may pumatol. Ay. Suddenly, sila na yung kawawa. Oh, no ko po. Alam ko yung mga ganyan. Danas na danas. Pa-shout out. Hi, shout out. Wala ka dyan. Ang hirap ng pangalan mo. Ang aga, no? Lahat ng dumadating dito, nakakarating lang. Ang aga. Naisip niyo na baka natulog na ako? Charot. Pero yeah. Kabog! Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Ayun. Minsan talaga eh. Oh, proud ko na lang din sa sarili mo eh, sa mga pinagagawa mo eh. Tinga ako niyan. Hey guys, si Chico. Ay, ang dami. Oh my God. May happy pride pa sa dulo, ha? Drag has always been my way of self-expression. Nope, not anymore. I'm good friends. Ano I'm... Ah, hindi. Pasabog. Period. Yes po, nakita ko na. Ayun na pa po pinag-uusapan dito yan sa live na ito. Period. Woohoo! Wag talaga ang mga friends. My God. Top ka ba, ma? Yes. Super top. Basta ko ganito ako pag tinap kita. Chat. Power top! Hey, Sophie. Hindi maaga to. Inumaga to. Bakla, hindi nagpapakita ha. Sophie ha. Saan ka na pula? Dito lang, sa bahay. Meron pa bang may mga ano dyan? Restaurant? Gusto niyo ba mag-drag brunch ako sa restaurant na ngayon na? Kaya ko yan. Asan na yung blue eyeliner? Wait lang, ano ba? Inactivity? Anong inactivity? Job, I'm reading it and oh my God. Oh my God, that's a very problematic. Uy, for sure. May isang drag queen na idol niya. Charot. Na may something wrong sa Down Under. Oh my God, sana hindi mag-flop. Yeah, binasa ko nga eh. Job, may ginawa ka bang outfit for Jade? Sa Down Under. At talaga namang tinanong ko on national live. Hindi naman nabukayo dahil lumabas na. Amats mo lang manood? Ha? Anong manood? Content lang to dito sa bahay. Okay. Ay, ikaw. If ever may all-stars, may balak sumali. It's not up to me. Hindi siya like, ay, sali ako dyan. Walang audition for all-stars, guys. The queens are handpicked. So, kapag may all-stars queen na pumasok na hindi nyo gusto, wala kayong magagawa. Hindi sila yung nagdesisyon nun. Kaya huwag kayong maarte. Tsaka pag naimbita ka sa All-Stars, huy! It's a privilege. Queen of the Universe Season 3. Wala na eh. Hindi na binalik eh. Eyeshadow. Balik ka na sa bars. What? Sino ba yan? Sino ba sinasabihan mo? Joy to the world. Ang gamit ko po na eyeshadow ay Pillowy sa Creative Comeback Palette. Mala thermal scan. Actually, no. Pwede ba yun for grad makeup? Aba, pwede. Ikaw bahala. Antak, mag-message nga tayo sa Season 2 group chat. Work. Ano bronzer ko? Um, ano ba to? One size is the bronze. Ito. Super luma na nito. Pero hindi siya nauubos. Pinahinga ko din siya. Maganda yung bronzer na mura na nasa TikTok shop. Yung triangle. Meron dito. Joy to the world. Ano ba yun? Ba't nag-creep? Drag makeup, 2 hours and 30 minutes on the spot. Kaya mo yan, dear. Good luck. Siguro ang maipapayo ko sa'yo ay unahin mo yung basics. Gets ba? Yung pinaka basic. Yung mukha. Tapos practice ka na. Timingan mo yung sarili mo ng 2 hours. Ganun. Ito yung triangle na bronzer. Wait nga lang. Ayun. Ito po. Lake Rain. Ganda yan. It's very pigmented. Chiari. Top 3 promo looks. Miss Jade Saw. Walang bias yun, ah. Floor. And Vibe. Charot. Nakakatawa yung Vibe. Nakakatawa si Vibe. Baliw ako. Baliw niya ako. Vibe. Baliw ako ni Vibe. Ay, Nikita Imon. Yeah. Nikita Imon, Miss Jade So, and Floor. Ang ganda nung... Magaling po ba si Kim mag-assist? Depende po. Ano pong lip combo record? Anong makyari? Huy, tigilan mo ako. Lip combo. Mamaya, abang mo yung lip combo. Ganyo po, ma. Nakakapikon yung Chiari. Nakakapikon. Kinukuha mo na naman yung pika ko, ah. Charot. Oh my God! I fucking ate! Look at this. Ayan ang pinakita lang sa jowa. Ang ganda ng blush niyo. Chinito po. I hate you, Chiari. Pakakainis ko. Charot. Ito po yung inspiration sa makeup kit. Ayan. Medyo iniba ko siya. Iniba ko ng very light. Tulululululululu. Parang gusto ko pink yung sa ilalim. Yes, Power Bake. Tsaka primer na maganda. At setting spray na maganda. Alam niyo, maganda to, oh. Itong setting spray na to, ganda siya. Anong gagamitin mong outfit dyan? Baka yung rainbow lang din. Okay. Tapusin na natin ito. Woo! Kung babalik yung season mo, ano magiging exit speech mo? Siguro, ko alam. Ano? Ka ba yun? All Stars o Slaytion? Slaytion. Charot. Kung magkaka-Philippine All-Stars, ang soyo nun. Mafu-FOMO ako pag hindi ako kasali. Primer na affordable for everyday makeup. Moisturizer na lang. Ito, maganda to. Moisturizer siya, pero matte. Kita niyo ba? Ayan o, di ba? Hindi siya like super oily. So, maganda siyang primer. Lalo na sa oily skin. Okay. Lilinisin ko na lang po ang mundo ko. So yun pala pag naka-live, parang na, ano na yun, hindi ako na inaantok. Kasi minsan inaantok ako kapag nagme-makeup. Tapos yun, nasira yung makeup. Siya nagluluha, ganyan. Fave drag song ko. Ano yung drag song? Gawa ng drag queen? Kung original song na gawa ng drag queen, Bongga by Venus Deluxe, Arizona B, Abab. Ang Abab na to. Ano mo siya? Ano to? Garnier Dry Touch Cream. Ayan. So, ba nalagyan ko ng yellow basket? Asan na yun? Ito. Ay, hindi pala pwede. Double shande ang goal. Well, we all know how that shit worked out in the end. Yes, I know. I've known. Charot. Medyo matagal ko na pong alam. Haha. Siyempre, sister natin yan eh. Sister yan eh. Eyeshadow Reco, get ready with me. Guys, meron akong ilalabas na tutorial ng basic na rainbow eyeshadow. Ulan dyan. Hindi po, ano yun, electric fan. Ano ba yung isang flat brush? Ano ko? No! 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 Nakakapikon pag ano. Magandang powder na mura. Nasa ano ko? Yellow Basket. Kung tayo sa profile ko, may video ako ng powder na maganda. Yun, nahanap din kita. Maligaw man. Hi, Sean! Oh my God, I miss you so much. Hindi kita nakita ever nung umuwi ka. Grabe naman ang mga gift naman na yan. Pride look ba siya? Happy Pride! Pudayer. Tama. Try niyo yung maganda. Andito. Pudayer. Ang laki pa. Ang laki. Ang laki ng pan. I-compare natin siya sa ito MAC. Tanong niyo kung gaano kalaki yung difference. Diba? Ay. See? See the difference? Well, ganun talaga ang buhay. Wala po akong show. This is just for fun and for passion. Ganon. Lagi bang kailangan? Lagi charot. Anong sinabi? Pag nag-KK makeup, burahin mo na. Charot lang. Ano ba? Mag setting spray ka na hydrating. Alam mo yung mga setting spray na hindi matte. Para mabuhay yung hydration to skin. Tapos para mag-less mukhang powdery at mukhang makeup yun. Saan na ang mga brush? Mga brush. Hindi na alam kung nasaan. Mga yan. Andito ba si Sean? Sean, thank you so much for the gifts. Wow! Ano minsan napapawawa ko sa sarili ko? Like, what the fuck? Para kung AI, no? Ang galing. The detail is detailing. Thank you so much. YouTube po, ako natuto mag-makeup. So, bago ako mag-start mag-makeup, hindi pa ako nagme-makeup, yun lang yung kinokonsume ko. Mga makeup tutorials. So, by that time na meron ako makeup, parang alam ko na kung paano sila i-apply. Ito yung sinasabi ni Patrick Star ng ganto ganyan. Ito yung in-apply ni Nikki Tutorials. Ganun. Anong una ma? Concealer or face paint? Personally po, hindi ako gumagamit ng face paint. So, concealer lang. Di concealer. Walang laban ng Down Under sa kasarapan ni Mrs. Shades. Yes. Filipino makeup artist na lagi kang pinapanood. Before. Makeup artist. Magkaiba kasi yung makeup artist at makeup influencer. Kung makeup influencer, si Michelle D. Anna Kai, Anne Klutz. Pero kung makeup artist, Riza Contawi. Oh my God! Idol yan. Riza Contawi. Idol! Okay, under eyes, paano? Anong gagawin ko? Yeah. Hold me down. Jelly is idol din yan. Artist and influencer. Makeup artist po ay makeup artist. Make us in makeup artist. Nag-makeup sa ibang tao. May mga makeup artist ngayon na influencers na ako. Jenjel Eugenio, ayan. Diba? Pero sabi mo kasi before. Before hindi naman masyadong marami yung mga makeup artist na influencer. Magkaibang mundo talaga siya. Hold me down. Kim kaka-follow mo lang Charot. Thank you for the follow. Uy, hindi pantay ang above. Gag kasi ako na pinapawatch ka ng cousin ko. Thank you. Ngayon lang kasi ako nag-live din ulit. Sa live ako para hindi ako antukin. The artistry. Period. Mega na. Kung i-rank kaya ako ni Crystal Versace, saan niya kaya ako ilalagay, no? Napanood niyo ba yun, guys? Kasi agree ako sa ibang choices. Yung mga controversial choices. Tapos pumatol pa yung, ay. Primer. Get ready with me. Ang favorite primer ko ay Get Ready With Me. Tanggal muta. Lace me up, hold me down. Hi Ezekiel, I miss you too. Hanggang mag-wig, parang hindi. Ano kayang gagawin ko sa under eyes? Yung isa ka, hindi ko alam. Parang gusto ko pink. I-pink natin to. Kamusta na? Ito na. Pagod na. Sinisipon ang bayot na. Century Tuna or San Marino? San Marino. Bye for now. Thank you, Kim. Ingat ka. Ingat! Oh my God, grabe yung makeup ko. Nakakaloka. Naliloka ako. Wow. Napapawaw ako. Napapawaw. Thank you so much. A lot of people don't love me on Drag Race, but those who do, I love you too. Na para bang those who get it, get it. Charot. Serve a face. Cute. Thank you. You love my leg? Oh, gutom ako. Thank you so much, Motero. Salamat. Balik po kayo ng rampa, please. Opo. Ano pong eyeshadow palette gamit nyo? Pillowies po. What the fuck? Paano ko to nagawa? Woo! Woohoo! Okay na to, wag na nating i-fuck up, wag nang lagyan ng star. Saan show mo? Wala po. P. Louise eyeshadow palette. The Creative Cambeck. Period. Aga ko naman. Guys, magkaiba po yung maaga sa inumaga. Charot. Lift me up, hold me down, Minsan mapapaisip ako, may drag queen ba sa Pilipinas na kayang gawin to? Feeling ko naman. Kinaya ko siya eh. Kung kaya ko, kaya mo rin. Ay, meron. Meron akong kilalang kayang gawin tong ganitong makeup. She will eat. Nasa season 4 ng Drag Race Philippines. Charot. So now, tapusin na natin ang face. Uy! Dirty ng ano. Ay, meron na ba siyang ano? Meron na bang Meet the Queens na? Yung video na isa-isa. Baka nasa wow na. Ayun.
I don't think it is possible to have a Down Under versus the World season without Art Simone. You think of Australian drag, you think of Art Simone, so it makes complete sense that I'm here and complete sense that I'm going to win. Right? Are you sure? Please? My name is Art Simone from RuPaul's Drag Race Down Under Season 1, and I am here to get myself a little crown. It is such a joy to be back again, but this time not coming out of a trash receptacle. Okay, I'm leaving the trash behind, and we're just being glamorous Art Simone. So I was runner-up on the first season of Drag Race Down Under. Didn't get to snatch the crown, but this time, it's mine. I've even had a spot on my head surgically implanted so I can just magnetise it on whenever I want.
Okay.
Look, I think on my first season, people really stuck at one specific thing they saw, that being my first elimination. And I think a lot of people just think I'm the sad little sea witch that scuffed at a poor cameraman in a dressing room looking really sad. But I'm much more than that. I just bark at them wearing different outfits. That means nothing! See? Growth. Well, I've got it all. And if I don't have it, I pretend I have it. And I think that's all that matters, because you've got to have a winning attitude. I didn't come here to fuck spiders. It's going to be a piece of piss. Let's do it! Lots of clapping too. You've got to do that in Australia because of the flies. See that? You know, I could do the pageant answer and be like, oh, I'm just happy to be here. I am, but I want that mother tuck-in crown, please. I need it. I'm really desperate. Just a little bit of, just a little, just a little, yummy.
Hey everyone, this is Coco Jumbo from RuPaul's Drag Race Down Under Season 1, and I'm here to reclaim what is rightfully mine, which is the crown. So, oh my god, it feels so good to be back here in Drag Race. I feel like I've learned a lot, I've grown as a person, I've had my glow up, but all the fillers actually just gone to my thighs. I like to think that I'm a fan favorite. I've traveled around the world. I was at the markets in Brazil, and some kids came up to me and like, Coco Jumbo, Australia Drag Race. Oh my good gay girly god. So I guess whether I like it or not, that is something I'm known for. Coco Jumbo is loud, loving, fun, talented, glamorous, beautiful, stunning in every single way. On season 1 of Drag Race Down Under, I wasn't my authentic self. But this time, bitch, I am ready and roaring! It is all for me. This is the full 100% Coco Jumbo experience, honey. Ow! Eat it up!
Galing naman ni Patrick Star.
I definitely have had a glow up since season 1. I feel like season 1 was just a little girl, even though I was 29. But this time around, I've got money. So the glow up comes naturally. She can spend, and hopefully it's, we'll see. You tell by the jewels. What do these girls seem to look out for down under? Snakes. They come in all sizes. There's big ones, medium ones. But it's okay. They all taste the same. Say, watch out, bitch, because I'm coming for your ass. I'm pounding the competition into the ground. I'm gonna break the chair. ¡Viva España! My name is Estrella Extravaganza from the season 2 of Drag Race España, and I'm here, honey, because I'm going to snatch your heart. It is crazy to be back again in Drag Race. I was a runner-up. I mean, that is like so much stress in my shoulders. I mean, but I can do it. I can do it again. Estrella is kind of a comedy queen. I really love improv. Woo! I'm sorry. Since my season of Drag Race, I've been able to, travel all around Spain. Thank you, RuPaul. I'm really happy that in Spain we have like so much drag scene, What Spanish drags do best is perform. I mean, drag show and just see someone doing Lola Flores, and I mean, it's crazy. My drag has changed in so many ways. I mean, I really know my aesthetic. I really know the queen that I am. My message to my competitors is, I'm so hungry for the crown. I need to put the crown in here. The crown is mine. Luces, cámara, acción. Imagine we're in the telenovela. Because that will be my telenovela ending, getting the crown. I'm gonna be in the telenovela and will say, Pedro, I have won Drag Race Down Under. And then I look at myself in the mirror. Hello, my name is Fleur from RuPaul's Drag Race Down Under Season 3. I am here to take the crown this time, honey, and bringing you the looks, because the other ones, they won't. I was top 3. I was top 3 on my season. I won one challenge, the makeover challenge, because, I was just being robbed the whole time. The second time around is a bit harder because, people already know you. They kind of expect you to do even better than your original season. I did War the World with, big names of RuPaul's Drag Race, and it was such a dream come true. Traveling, bookings, brunch, club, another club, another club, another club, another club. So my drag, I will describe it very sexy, always representing a Latin woman, always glamorous, always smelling perfect, always keen for a drink and a party. I just need.
That blending, I know.
I'm gonna hard for it. And I just bring something fresh, something new for Down Under.
Miss Maureen Biology. Naku, kaya mo rin. Kaya mo to. May...
The person who put
Kanina,
Drag Race Down Under versus me.
naisip ko, sino kaya drag queen sa Pilipinas kaya gumawa ng ito makeup? Maureen Biology.
I am the pinnacle one of one. The
Ayun na
largest,
siya!
the hardest, the highest.
The longest, the hardest. The highest.
I am the pinnacle one of one. The largest,
The hardest, the highest.
Esoteric Nagodessa. Coming back to your screen, the most demanded queen.
Frick. Tama.
It's Miss Jade. You're the Kesang Godessa of Drag Race Philippines Season 2.
Dogesang Godesa.
It feels surreal
Ano
to be
ba,
back
Jay?
here.
Ganito, ano na yun?
You're the Kesang Godessa of Drag
Ah,
Race
Dakesa.
Philippines Season 2.
Dakesang Godesa.
It feels surreal to be back here.
Batang aga.
And now
Actually, hindi
I'm
maaga.
able to
Inumaga.
show my evolution from
Get 2 AM na ako
dollification
nag-makeup.
to
Parang, wala lang.
Godessification.
Gusto ko lang.
Since season 2, I have been masturbated. After my season, I've been traveling a lot, getting
Masturbate?
books right here and there. She is going global. Being able to travel around the world with the help of Drag Race is such a blessing for me. This is not a thing in the Philippines, so only a few queens get this opportunity. I am so happy to do it and represent the Philippines with me.
Actually,
I
wala
wanna
kayong
show
tank top
the
niya.
talent of Filipino drag. And not just the talent, the heart of the Filipinos. I didn't win the crown from my past season, but now I am here to take Michelle's taint. But yeah, I am here to spread the goddessification agenda, and I am gonna win for humanity's maturity, or else annihilation will happen.
Annihilation will happen.
I am the crown. I am the prize.
Period.
Bitch, have to drag change. Are you looking at it, bitch? I would never wear no bullshit like this because I'm hot. I'm hot down under. It's hot over here, bitch. They got kangaroos and everything and eats and death.
Wala, mas crazy pa rin yung season 2 ano na, Meet the Queens namin niya. He is
It's
the,
your favorite
he, this
homegirl,
is T.
the one and only Lala Reed from RuPaul's Drag Race Season 13 and All Stars 8. Bitch, what am I doing back? I'm coming to get the money, honey, and a crown. And they said third time's a charm, so bitch, you better be. So I already talk about season 13 like that. I kind of forget that and put that in the past. I could have did a lot better. That's why I came back a second time on All Stars 8 and showed the bitches what I really was about. Saw me glow up. You saw the true Lala Ree experience. And bitch, you gonna see the ultimate Lala Ree experience the third time around. Yes, my very first time on international season. Half these bitches can't speak English that well, but I can't speak English that well, so we all in the same boat here. So girl, we gonna figure it out together. I don't know if they gonna understand the way I talk.
Idol ko
I
po
got
yun,
little
si John
slang to me, a
Magsaga.
little hood to me, but bitch, I can't understand them. So we, like I said, we one in the same boat. I represent your favorite homegirl, the energetic, the entertainer, the one, the bad bitch that everybody wants to be around, okay? And you know you're gonna get a good time when you're around me, and you're gonna go get a good show. What I'm gonna do this time, first and foremost, not trust the bitch. If I say I'm gonna see you home, bitch, I'm gonna see you home, okay? Don't give me no sob story because the bitch might turn around next week and see me home. Number 2, bitch, do what I did on All Stars, but bigger, better, and bolder. Being the queen of the motherfucking world will mean a lot to me because first and foremost, I will get to rule the world, honey. Bow down, sit, listen. You're all elegant. You're all elegant, okay?
Anong gamit mo sa blue?
I'm about to hammer and
Ay,
nail these
shadow po
bitches
lahat
because
yan.
I got a little rest. I took a little break. So bitch, I'm ready to do some good drag.
What the hell's Michelle got we're doing in here? I did not come to Drag Race Down Under to fucking mix cement.
Hoy, gumanda siya. Si Michael
Alright
Maru.
everyone, it's me, Michael Maruli from Drag Race UK Season 5, and I'm back to give you more of the Geordie flavour.
Break pa din, charot. Pero gumanda siya.
On Season 5, I was in the top quite a lot. I won 3 maxi challenges, and I placed as a runner-up, some may say robbed. This is my season.
nanalo
I've
ng
been
season
traveling
niya?
the world, I've been on tour, I've done TV, I've been singing with Cyndi Lauper at the Royal Albert Hall, I've been a Mac Viva glam girl. It's just been the ride of my life, and I'm so grateful for every single moment of it. Oh, bitch, after this, that's it. I'm going everywhere. Perth, Adelaide, Brisbane, wherever else there is in Australia. I'm going to book this place.
Ito, pinapanood ko, no?
Since I left Porpoise Fish, I haven't listened to one Ever song, but now my life's as good as an Ever song. It's as good as Jensen Coy. It's Muriel. I'm a massive fan of Down Under Drag, so the fact that I've got to send them all home is a bit of a shame, isn't it? But sucks to be you. I am so excited to be back in the workroom competing again. I have been
All-Stars ka, ha?
for this chance to get back,
Sana.
finish what I started on season 5, and I am so ready. I've got a fire in my belly, a twinkle in my eye, and murder in my Y front. I'm not competitive at all. Who, me? But I do like to come first.
I'm terrified of all bugs, and there's like 7 or 8 that can kill you in Australia. I'm like scared something's gonna get in my luggage, and what if I take it home and it kills me at home? That's a definite fear. That something will bite me. Unwanted. I'm Nicole Paige Brooks from Atlanta, Georgia, Season 2, All-Star 10, and now Down Under versus the World! On All-Stars 2, if you saw it, you know what happened. If you didn't, I won.
Station or versus the world. Yung ibang bansa, nagpapadala naman sila ng early out eh.
I went home second. It was sad. But then 16 years later, All-Stars 10, I went home after 3 episodes. Because I was robbed! I think that I was one of the original girls to start this, and never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd be competing against these international queens, and I'm excited for it. Nicole's just blunt and forward and unbothered, and I think people like that. I think most people think I'm nice. I mean, I have a few people that aren't fans, but I don't talk to them. Southern drag that I come from is very feminine. That's what I portray, a woman. And that's what drag is. Put on your back what you want on your back. Even if it's titties. All the fans are so nice and so sweet, but I have a lot of merch. Like, I have tennis shoes, and whenever I see somebody with my face on their shoes, that's kind of crazy to me. And the fact that I have a single out, that's so crazy. Available on all streaming platforms. I don't really feel like I have anything to prove. I just want to go home with the fucking jewelry on my head. You know what I mean? I'm sick of showing up and not having what I came for. So I'm ready for these girls. They should be nervous if they're not.
Well, Nikita's here to show the world that yes, Down Under does have a lot of dogs, but there's also kitty cats here too. Hello, Falaba, it is your girl Nikita Iman, all the way from Drag Race Down Under Season 4. I'm here to take over the mother tucking world, baby. Bring it on! I did really well on my season. I was eliminated just before the finale. I was so close, but I felt like I did need a little bit more growing. After coming into myself a little bit more into my identity, that has definitely transferred over into my drag. I just feel more confident, feel more puss. The essence is giving. Bitch, catch it. Nikita bridges the gap between ballroom and drag. So I started my drag to the ballroom scene. A lot of my drag influences, my aesthetic comes from femme queens, trans woman, and then when I started working in drag, I started working with the older cabaret girls, the camp girls, and that's also where my love from traditional drag comes from, is working
Thank you so much. Thank you, Francesco. Ay, grabe, ay, grabe. More. Thank you.
But I think it's because like we don't really take ourselves seriously. You know, I was a little bit shy and timid last season, if you could not tell. But yeah, I think this time, especially with, you know, such big personalities in the room from around the world, you had to make your mark.
100% the Down Under girls will be.
Thank you.
I want to take my girls to the end. And then at the end, I'll sit up on my bayway. There is no way that I'm leaving this competition without that crowd. Insert the Puss and press play.
Paano ang edit po ng pyesa? Like, the -1 or yung
do one thing right
visuals?
in your life. Give the crown to me. And please, Lazy.
Diba wala si Raven?
My name is Vi from Drag Race Down Under Season 4, and I'm the showgirl of your goddamn...
Meron ba? Anong pakialam kay Vibe?
I'm fine with
Ay,
that.
gago, meron nga si Raven.
It's rape. Australian accent. Alright, it's okay. It's Raven hunting. I was on RuPaul's Drag Race Season 2. I was on RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars Season 1. And I am here because why not? I was runner-up twice. Everyone's been reminded constantly. And I'm fine with it. I wanted to come back and compete again because I miss the competition. I miss walking the main stage. I'm here for the crown. I'm here to compete. I'm here to win. After all these years, I am here. It's very surreal. It's also nerve-wracking. I will say I'm very nervous. Whenever anyone says Raven, the first thing they think is makeup. And also, fiercely tan. I've been tanning since All Stars 1. I've heard this a lot lately, that I'm one of the blueprints, that I am the blueprint when it comes to the face of drag now. I guess I am. It is a lot of pressure on my little tiny shoulders. Raven's drag is all about aesthetic. It could be glamorous, it could be a little bit pin-up, it could be raunchy. It's many things are scared of me. You know why I'm the winner of Down Under versus the World? Because I'm Raven, bitch.
Gabi yung mug niya. Whew. True. Yun nga din ang nabalitaan ko. Oh my fucking God. Paano ko to nagawa sa buhay ko? Buhay ko ata ba? Oh, minsan talaga magiging delusional ka lang na, ay, kaya ko to, so gagawin ko siya. Ayun, ito na yun. Sir Manix? Sino po yun? Sino po si Sir Manix?
Ito na ang Wednesday latest. May early birthday treat si Sparkle star Sanya Lopez sa kanyang sarili. Sa ICT Patients of Leading Act, ako, Karen Toneta, pati na sina John Estrada at Khalil Ramos.
I'm not here to be a celebrity. I am an actor, and this is proof. For someone who really wanted to make a mark in this industry, for her passion for acting, now parang na-acknowledge yun, yung dream ko na yun.
Nakasama nila Dustin Yu at Bianca De Vera ang ilan-ilang fans para sa isang outreach project. Namigay sina Dustin at Bianca ng school supplies sa 100 estudyante sa Maynila. Initiative ang project ng isa nilang fans club na Despia Angels. Bahagi yan ng pagdiriwang nila sa first anniversary ng pagsuporta sa Love Team. All smiles naman ang Despia habang namimigay ng school supplies.
Okay. International. Sino ba itong nag-request? Mag-end na ako ng live in a few minutes because
Smallest to biggest coffee shops naman. Merong small, medium, large, at extra large.
Pero ngayon muna yung small.
Yung small natin, wala. Wala yung small natin!
Be the bigger person.
Ah,
Ay naman ako, bigger ako. Nandito kasi sa part ng buhay ko na ipon na.
ano bang picture ni Abby?
Wala akong makita.
Dito muna tayo sa pinakamaliit. Miko, sign mo to.
You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, love more than you realize, and pay more than you earn.
Uy, hindi. Iba yun. Okay, may wifi. Pagpasok mo, ito na agad. Si Sir, ano bang name mo, Sir? Junel po.
Anong favorite coffee mo?
President of Spanish lang.
Pero anong bestseller dito?
Bestseller po dito is Kape Veterano. Caramel Macchiato and Spanish Latte.
Yung kape veterano, ano siya?
Strict po siya, tapos matapang. Parang din po siya ng Spanish Latte, pero mas matapang po siya. Meron din silang mga
Ay, grabe.
silang fries,
Ay, ngipin ka, ah.
cheese, chicken nuggets, pork siomai.
Kaya ano to?
yung ngipin po ni Kwet-Kwet ay pasabot.
Paano chocolate?
Nangangagat po yun ng bura.
Halimbawa ng
Charot.
maskusa ng tropa. Ako lang ang pwede magsabi ng panot doon. Ako, ang kape ko, honey oat latte. Tapos nagbigay sila ng libreng Spanish latte. Napakabait. Ano yung kape mo?
Kape Veterano.
Ito yung classic talaga.
Tapos ito yung Bisco Cafe Latte. So, ba't ba veterano? Kasi nasa hospital sila sa veteran.
Tinayo yung veterans na yan around mga 1955 para pagsilbihan yung mga military veteran, yung mga pamilya nila. Tapos yun nga, nagtayo dyan. Ang mga customer nila yung mga doktor, mga may shift na ang hanap nila dun sa kape nila malakas. Kasi syempre pagod, mga inaantok.
Pero paano ba napapaganon yung kape? Depende siya sa videos, dark roast. Kasi nababa.
Oh!
Ay, okay. Thank you thank you.
Masarap yung sausage nila. Sige.
Malakas kasi syempre pagod, mga inaantok.
Pero paano ba napapaganon yung kape? Depende siya sa videos, dark roast. Kasi nababawasan yung kape.
Ay, okay. Thank you thank you.
Masarap yung sausage nila. Singit ko lang. May anghang, di ba yung
Okay, guys. I'll end this live na. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nanood. Nag-abang na matapos ang makeup look na to. So proud of it. And I'll see you soon again kapag mag-makeup ulit ako sa live. I love you all so much. Thank you po. Special mention po kay Francesca, kay Shankar. Bye guys!
Alam niyo yung mga coffee na pinapakain sa isang